welcome to my channel once again. I'm Mark Batuals. In today's presentation, I'm going to present to you and show you about the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is under cactus family and more or less found in the desert. It doesn't look like a fruit tree or fruit vine. It's just some sort of funny looking plant. It's just like cactus. It has all those thorns on the side of the branches, and the fruit too, it looks more like dragon. It has so many lobes on the sides, and so it doesn't look pretty. But it tastes good when it's ripened. You cut it open and you'll have a good juicy fruit. For me personally, I have not seen any of them around in Papua New Guinea except in the supermarkets. I saw them, I think in Papua New Guinea, I saw them in Vision City. Some of them are in whole and some of them are cut into pieces. They were very expensive. The latest that I saw sold at Vision City and as well as Rich Hypermart was about 100 something per kilo. And that kilo is about just about 3 pieces of dragon fruit, and it costs about some 70 something kina. Those 3 pieces, I think, just a little less than 1 kilo. But that's how expensive it is, and probably it's been expensive. It's from the type of food that probably people want, and it does have medical properties that or health properties that can help improve health wise. But otherwise, it's a fruit, and just like any other ordinary fruit, and for fruits. And like I said, for me personally, I have not seen this in Papua New Guinea. And the only place that I saw this one was in Alota. When I came to Alota, I was in where the house that I was renting, along the fence, it was growing this dragon fruit. And I never knew it was dragon fruit. I was wondering, it's some sort of plant until it started to bear fruit. And when I saw the fruit, I realized, because I saw them in the supermarkets, I realized that, oh, this is the fruit that I have seen. And here it is now, the real plant, which eventually grows and flowers and eventually fruit. And yeah, I was able to harvest some of them because they were grown near the house that I was renting. So I had the opportunity to go and pick them myself when they are ready. And when I picked them up, I cut it, I ate it, I know it because I have had it. I had it in some functions. They made them as fruit salads and all those ones. Yeah, and then I saw them in the supermarket. So then that proves to me that this is the fruit. Okay, by the way, so this is the fruit. So that's the dragon fruit. It now has ripened. You can see the color. So I'm going to go and put them inside the house. And then I'll cut them and probably put them in the fridge for my fruit. Okay, so those are some of the fruit here. And you can see they are flowering and they are fruiting. Dragon plant, and those are the dragon fruits. Yeah, you see dragon fruits here? Many of them. And these ones here, they are already mature, ripe. Now ripe. And see these ones as well. And these ones too. Let's have a look at them. Many of them. That's how they look like when they fruit. That's the flower there. This one, that one, those are the flowers. Another one there. The others have already now, they are the fruits, and some of them are mature and ready now, right? But I hope you will enjoy, and if you do enjoy, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. With that, guys, thank you and enjoy your viewing. Yeah, and so I was very interested on it, and then I took some cuttings and I went and planted them at my block in Moresby. And you can see in the video, those are the ones. And that video that I'm showing you now is the earlier video. The latest, they have overgrown. So, and unfortunately, I don't have that video. I've lost it. but they have now overgrown, and so it's now they're on the way to fruiting, flowering and fruiting somewhere probably at the end of this year, 2024. But yeah, I know it's not popular in Papua New Guinea, and so my appeal is I'm looking at maybe partnering with some landowners from the Magi Highway, Return Highway to go into big commercial gardening. So if there are landowners who are interested in pursuing this one and gardening, converting it or making it into a medium large scale commercial garden for dragon fruit, I'm looking for those type of people, and if you are interested, please do let me know. See, now I realize most of these dragon fruit shoots have now grown over this bamboo that I put here, and the bamboo, I realize, you see, it's a little bit loose now, so it's getting rotten. So what I did was I got this wood here and came and push it through. See this one here, so it goes through, and you must be a little bit smart to see ahead, so you can do it before they all grow. And because when they all grow, they will now block this one, and if you are pushing this one, if two or three people, it's okay. You can lift all these ones and then push this timber through. But if one person, and if you also have so much already growing along the way and hanging down, it becomes difficult. So I had to put this one quickly. For this one, it was a little bit hard. Fortunately, it was okay. I did not break any, I think, except one. But you see, they've now grown and they are now growing over. And you can see this one here, see? This shoots, new shoots there, and that's happening on the other one there. See now, this is the one that is staying on top. Now the new shoots are coming out from there, and this one's coming down here, see? And the new shoots coming out. So those ones will eventually grow over and come down again. And you see, I put another timber here, so that will now support, because this bamboo is not strong now. It's getting rotten. So I think bamboo is not recommended material that you could use. You have to use timber, and I think the best timber would be 3x2, or if you want 3x3 would be okay. So you see now they are all growing down this way. See now I have all these new shoots coming up, you see, all these ones there. So I have put all this timber here now, so the timber will now become the carrier, which branches will now, or shoots will now grow over, and that will carry them. Okay, for this one here at the top, it was okay because they haven't really grown over yet, so it was easy to put those timbers. So you see, I put the timber all the way from that end, coming through to this end. I think I should just, it's all okay. Okay, yeah, but they're growing over now, so I have to do them now. And just fortunate that I came and visited, I checked, and now I have improved, so I put these timbers. Okay. So now it's all okay, and yeah, they're growing over now, and I'm happy. And when they do grow over, the new shoots will now come out at the top. That's their nature, and more will continue to come down, and more will continue to shoot out. And this is the third one. So there's a nail there, so I have to move this one. See, there's a nail there, this one here, so I should have kept it, but anyway, I can move this one, so it's moved now. See, all the shoots there coming out, a number of them, that one as well. See, all these ones, they're really growing healthy. Yeah, I improved the soil fertility. I put some chicken poofs, chicken manure. So you see this one now, this one hangs down here. Now you can see the new shoot is just coming here, coming out from there. that will come out, and then eventually another one will also grow. And then I will have more. And the more I have, it will come out of flowers and eventually fruit. I think I will now have to advertise, ask for partners to partner with them, especially landowners who own land along the highway. Partner with them and then go and do a commercial garden of dragon fruit. By the way, so this is the fruit. So that's the dragon fruit. It now has ripened. You can see the color. So I'm going to go and put them inside the house, and then I'll cut them and probably put them in the fridge for my fruit.